Arteon encompasses everything we know and we love to do in automotive industry. A lot of space, day-to-day usability, a typical functional Volkswagen, perfect technology leading into the future in our new models, actually the wide range of engines and high-tech on the inside. And in this case, the most beautiful design a street car ever had in a Volkswagen. Characterful, strong, athletic, simply Arteon. I hope you enjoy the show. Have fun. The strong and muscular shoulder leads into the frameless side windows, which really stretch the body, make it really elegant, flowing into the strong front of the car, the very bullish front of the Arteon. It stands on brand new 20-inch wheels, and actually the secret is under the hoods. 3 engine technologies are on offer. TSIs of latest technology, TDIs of latest technology with twin dosing, and for the first time Arteon holds a new plug-in hybrid system which we call e-hybrid. So it's really ready for the future. Now the beautiful new highlight of the car is this LED front strip lid that we know from the Golf generation, which signifies that Arteon is on the front wave of new Volkswagen on the road. Fantastic car. The Arteon is our premium flagship, so we really focus on developing it into the sphere for the next years, on the looks and with the technology. Now this is a beautiful ambient light integration, Harman Kardon premium sound. The car has a standalone dashboard, beautiful materials, great to look at, but the technology highlight of the car clearly is our traffic assist. Traffic assist keeps you in the lane, keeps your distance and regulates your speed, basically without your intervention. It feels actually that you're touching the steering wheel. Beautiful technology to keep you through heavy traffic and into traffic jams. And the car is always connected. The car is online, has its own SIM, and gets your real-life data for your traffic and for your navigation. So it's a car for the future and a grand tourer on the road.